What if you could save money on all of your traveling needs while also making up to $10,000 in monthly residual income for only $20? Now in this video, I'm going to be breaking down a simple business which allows you for $20 to get access to a travel engine. Now inside of this travel engine, you can save up to 90% on condos, you can save up to 75% on hotel rooms, and you can save on flights, car rentals, and other things like cruises, which is amazing. Now, these are available in all main cities, so no matter if you're going home to visit family or you just want to take a little trip, you can find and you can leverage this platform to save hundreds of dollars on your travel needs. I'm going to be going over the engine in this video so you can see firsthand some of the savings which you're going to receive. Now, once you get access to the $20 travel business, you're going to be able to earn some commissions. Now, I'm going to show you how to actually share your very own Travel Cash website, which they're going to give you, which will be similar to the one that I have here, except your username will be different. So if you guys want to get access to the $20 travel business, you can go to easytravelcash.com, or you can visit travelcash.my1dollarbusiness.com, or there'll be a link in the description below. Either way is going to get you access to this system, and you can actually get started. If you don't want to pay the $20, you can get a trial, a 30-day trial for only $1. Now, these $1 trials, you're still going to get paid 50% fast start commissions. Now, what this means is inside of the My Travel business, there is 3 different levels, okay? There is the 30-day trial, which is $1, and now that doesn't give you access to the travel engine, which you're going to be using to save. You actually have to become a gold member, which is the $20 level, which is going to give you access to the travel engine where you can actually start saving. Now, there's 2 ways to upgrade to the platinum membership. Now, once you've actually earned $100 in gold sales, you'll automatically be upgraded to the platinum membership. Now, the platinum membership is going to give you some exclusive bonuses. Now, for being a platinum member, you're going to get everything that you will see inside of the gold membership, which is the $20 level, but you're also going to be able to earn those $50 fast start bonuses on anybody who becomes platinum. And you're also going to go from $5 monthly for your gold memberships all the way up to $25 monthly. Okay, so this is going to like 3x your income once you actually start building a team. But if you're on a budget and you don't want to start with the $100 level, you can start with the gold level, and as you start making sales, the system is going to automatically upgrade you so that you can start earning maximum amount of money. Now, as a platinum member, you're going to get 1 point per month for your dream vacation. So once a year, my $20 travel business is actually going to give you a free vacation. Now, we'll go over some of these locations here in a moment, but you can choose from wherever you want and have it paid for by the company, okay? Now, you're going to get 1 point per referral. So if you go out there and you sign up a platinum member, you're going to get a point towards your dream vacation. So if you go out there and sign up 12 members, that gives you your dream vacation. So that is pretty awesome. And in this training and for becoming a part of our team, we have tons and tons of training on to show you how to actually get your 12 platinum members so you can get that free vacation. Now, another bonus for being a platinum member, you're going to receive 25 telephone interviewed per month. This is going to allow you to build this business or any other business that you want to as well, okay? Now, this is a limited time bonus, these 25 phone verified leads. So you want to make sure if you are going to get or if you do want these leads, you will need to order right away. Now, your main goal by simply becoming a $20 travel business member is to go out there and find two members that are interested in saving some cash while still getting the ability to travel without burning a hole in their pocket. Now, if you can go out there and get two members, our team is growing so rapidly. I've actually had about 10 members put into my team before I was even able to start promoting, okay? So this thing is growing very, very quickly, so you want to lock in your position as quickly as possible. Now, as you guys see here, you can get a potential income with the gold membership of $2,000 per month. But you don't really have to worry about that, because once we start bringing in sales, you're actually going to upgrade to the platinum membership, and then you're going to be able to make a $10,000 monthly income. Now, for most people, a $10,000 monthly income is more than enough for anybody to live their ideal lifestyle. But thanks to the My $20 Travel business, you're allowed to sign up 3 different accounts, which allows you to maximize your earnings by up to $30,000 every single month. Now, inside of the back office, they walk you through how to actually set this up. You do have to go out there and set up a business and things of that nature to unlock these positions, because each one is legal. Each one needs a tax ID or a social insurance number, whatever it might be. Okay, so this is a legitimate business, and the company has been around for over 20 years, and they have a A+ on the Better Business Bureau. Okay, so this is a legit company with legit savings, and I'm going to actually log into the back office and show you around here. Now remember, this is a brand new account, and we are just ramping things up, so this is the best time to get started. Okay guys, so as you see here, we are inside the back office. Like I said, this is a brand new account. Okay, I did join on the 30th of June, but as of watching this video, we are on the 4th, and we're just starting promotion. Okay, today is the first day after setting up some sales funnels, setting up some different campaigns, that I actually have the time to go ahead and promote this. Okay, so I sent out an email about an hour ago. We already have 1 member that has joined from that email, and now we're filming a quick video. Okay, so it's a very simple process to actually go out there and get signups. All right, it's not very difficult, because the product is something that everybody needs. Everybody goes and visits family, so why not spend $20 a month and save hundreds every time you go out there and travel? Okay, now the way that they're allowed to do this is because it is a private membership. Okay, you're not allowed to give discounts on your travels, on your flights or anything like that, unless it is a private site. Okay, it has to be private site, and that's how you actually get access to these discounts. So once you actually get started, whether it be the $1 membership or the $20 or the $100, whatever it might be, there will be this little note board here. I recommend going through to watch how to maximize your commissions. This is going to teach you how to actually unlock those 3 accounts. There's a compensation plan training video. We have custom emails, text, posts, everything. You can just click right here, and then it goes over what you want to be doing to actually maximize your amount of earning. So all you want to be doing is you just want to go through, scroll through this entire page, make sure you read everything so you understand exactly what's going on here. Now over on this left side, you can click on the bar, and this is going to open up your sidebar. Now you can see your organization. If we open this up, we can see the genealogy. Now as you guys see here, I have 11 people that have already been placed into my matrix. All right, and I have my 1 referral from today. Okay, so this is going to continue to grow and continue to place people in our team. So if you guys want to actually go through and see the travel engine, okay, what you can do is you can go to and click on Gold Travel Engine. Alright, so once you actually get access to the $20 platform, this is going to, you can schedule whatever you want, whether it be hotels, cruises, cars, flights, whatever it might be. You can see all the total savings here. And they do have a home page where you can actually go and pick. So say you wanted to go to, New York. Okay, so as you guys see here, we are searching for New York. It's going to be on the 25th to the 8th. This is just some random times that I put in. And it's going to be one room for 2 adults, okay? So if you're looking right here, you can see, you can compare the public prices right here. So these are all prices if you were to, stay at this exact same hotel from Expedia, you would be paying $8,685. But because you have our $20 membership, you're going to pay $5,948, okay? So as you guys see here, the savings are listed and the savings are massive, okay? Think about what you could do with an extra $800 or an extra $1,600 from a trip that you were already going to take, right? This is some insane savings, which is going to help you save money and also make money, because once you go out there and you use this one time, you're going to tell your friends, they're going to want to join, and boom, now you're making some residual income by helping people save money, okay? So it is a pretty amazing feeling to help people save money and do the things and live the life that they want to do, and that is our main goal. So you can go through, and I'm not going to go through the entire marketplace, but I just want to show you guys a quick example of some savings. So if you guys want to get started, all you have to do is click the link below or visit easytravelcash.com. Make sure you join, and once you've actually joined, what I want you to do is I just want you to head over to Facebook, and I want you to head over to Dylan DeFazio online. Now, there'll be a link to my Facebook in the description below as well. But what I want you guys to do is I want you to actually shoot me a message, tell me that you've joined the travel business, and I'll actually send you my free training, okay? So I'm going to have a Facebook group. I'm going to have some social media training. I'm going to be giving away a sales funnel. There's going to be lots and lots of value here to actually help you guys succeed so that you can hit that potential monthly income of $10,000, okay? Now we're going to be working together as a team. We're all going to be growing together. So make sure, hit that button below, get started right away, and make sure you hit that subscribe button as well, because all of my trainings I'm going to be giving away for free, and I'm going to be posting them on my YouTube channel, okay? So make sure you subscribe and hit that like button as well, okay? Let me know in the comment section if you guys got some value from this, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you for watching. This is Dylan DeFazio with the Six Figure Marketers Club, and I'll see you guys in the next training. Have a great day.